In just 8 months, one crypto exchange went from zero to becoming the largest in the world. Behind it was a man who believed in speed, trust, and technology. This is the story of Changpeng Zhao and the birth of Binance. Before the fame, CZ wasn't a billionaire. He was just a coder. Born in China and raised in Canada, his teenage years included flipping burgers at McDonald's. But what really captivated him were numbers, logic, and systems. This early passion for order and efficiency would become the bedrock of his future empire. By his 20s, he was already deep in the world of finance, working as a trading systems engineer. He was the guy behind the scenes, building the high-speed software that powered Wall Street's high-frequency traders. He understood how money moved, and more importantly, how technology could make it move faster. Then in 2013, everything changed. He discovered Bitcoin. Reading the white paper wasn't just an intellectual exercise, it was a revelation. He saw a decentralized, borderless financial system built on pure logic and code. It was the future he had been subconsciously preparing for his whole life. Convinced of its potential, he made a move that seemed radical to everyone around him. He sold his apartment in Shanghai and went all in on Bitcoin. Friends and colleagues called him crazy, questioning why he would risk his financial stability for a digital novelty. But CZ saw something they didn't see. A future where money was no longer bound by physical borders or slow-moving institutions. A future where value could be transferred at the speed of code. He wasn't just investing in an asset, he was investing in a paradigm shift. Fast forward to 2017. The crypto market was in a frenzy. The initial coin offering, or ICO, mania was at its peak. New projects and tokens were launching every single day, creating a whirlwind of excitement and chaos. But the infrastructure supporting this boom was creaking under the pressure. Existing exchanges were often slow, unreliable, expensive, and had interfaces that were confusing for newcomers. They would crash during periods of high traffic, and customer support was notoriously poor. Amid this chaos, CZ saw a clear opportunity. He asked a simple but powerful question. What if we built the fastest, cheapest, and most user-friendly crypto exchange on Earth? An exchange built by traders, for traders. In July 2017, armed with this vision, he and a small, dedicated team launched Binance. There were no fancy offices in skyscrapers, no big-name backers from Wall Street. Their funding came from their own ICO, a testament to their belief in the crypto community itself. Their headquarters was wherever their laptops were. Their strategy was brutally effective: prioritize speed, maintain transparency, and execute relentlessly. While competitors were getting bogged down, Binance was shipping features, listing new coins, and expanding its user base at a breakneck pace. Their servers were engineered to handle massive volume, ensuring the platform remained stable, even during the most volatile market swings. The results were astonishing. In just 8 months, Binance catapulted from a newcomer to the world's #1 crypto exchange by trading volume. It was an unprecedented rise. While other platforms were grappling with security breaches, frequent downtime, or regulatory scandals, Binance built its reputation on 2 pillars: trust and technology. They famously introduced the SafeU Fund, the secure asset fund for users, an emergency insurance fund to protect users' assets, demonstrating a commitment to security that was unheard of at the time. The logo, a simple yellow diamond composed of squares, became an iconic symbol in the crypto world, representing efficiency, reliability, and an unwavering belief in the technology. But for CZ, becoming the world's largest exchange was just the beginning. He saw Binance not merely as a trading platform, but as the foundation for an entire ecosystem, a digital economy built on the principles of decentralization and accessibility. His vision extended far beyond just buying and selling coins. He wanted to build the tools that would empower the next generation of innovators and users. In 2019, this vision materialized with the launch of the Binance Smart Chain, later evolving into the BNB chain. This new blockchain was designed to be faster and cheaper than Ethereum, opening the floodgates for decentralized finance, or DeFi, and bringing NFTs and Web3 innovation to millions of new users. Suddenly, creating decentralized applications was no longer just for elite developers. Then came Binance Launchpad, a platform that gave promising new crypto projects a stage to launch and raise funds directly from the community. The Binance Academy was created to provide free, high-quality education on blockchain and crypto, demystifying a complex subject for a global audience. Binance Labs was established as a venture capital arm, investing in and incubating the most promising startups in the space. Each new initiative was another building block in this ever-expanding ecosystem. CZ's philosophy was simple and powerful. Build first, talk later. In a market saturated with hype, empty promises, and flashy marketing, this focus on tangible products and real-world utility made all the difference. Every market, especially one as new and volatile as crypto, is filled with fear, uncertainty, and doubt. What the community calls feud. Prices swing wildly, regulations shift, and negative headlines can spread like wildfire. But history shows that the projects that survive and thrive are the ones that ignore the noise and focus on building real, tangible value. Changpeng Zhao's journey with Binance is a masterclass in this principle. He didn't just build an exchange, he built trust at a massive scale. He demonstrated that a relentless focus on technology, user experience, and community empowerment, not hype, is what creates lasting impact. His vision of a faster, more inclusive financial system continues to shape the crypto industry today, inspiring a new generation of builders to think bigger and push the boundaries of what's possible. From a coder's desk to a global empire, Binance changed crypto forever. This is DCA Crypto, where we decode the stories behind digital money. Thanks for watching. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Think long-term. Build smarter.